So at the end of October this month, we're going to have our Tricks and Treats adoption event. So we don't want to make you choose between one or the other. So October 27th, 28th, and 31st is the Tricks and Treats adoption event. It's being sponsored by the Friends of the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, and all adoptions are half off. Inevitably, we get some concerns from people who have heard the myths about how shelters shouldn't be adopting black cats out around Halloween, and those are just myths. And we do our best to reassure people that our adoption process and policies are the same year-round, and that it is totally fine to adopt out cats of any color at any time of year. This is supported by the National Animal Welfare Organizations with research, and we truly believe it as well. We have people who come in here to give a needy animal a home, and that's a really awesome thing, and we want to support them. So we adopt out all colors of cats year-round, including Halloween. It's a really great idea to provide your pets a safe place where they can hang out during the time when trick-or-treaters are going to be coming to your door. That can be a bedroom, maybe turn the lights down lower, make sure all of the doors in your house are secure so your dogs and cats can't escape. All the doorbell ringing and the children making loud noises can be very scary for them, so just make sure that everything is secure and that your pets can't escape during Halloween time.